Your friend, Super Kofi Sapon. And you the title The Messiah. Nana Kwabren Shrawo Class FM Monio. Adom 106.3 but more than Sonapa Sumbreni Ghana West Africa program to combat AIDS and STI. Dura Plus, where Dura Plus goes, water goes. Forever Construction and Consultancy Limited. Societe General, the future is you. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? Latest, form your partner for Life and Agbeva Herbal Center. Why here is if you want to know senior yade na poso de bro. CJ Waha Yaman Akwaba halfway. Yaman Akwaba full. Waha created a senior sister. Senior sister.
Lady Pancake.
When you lady share, lady the bundle.
Mampenny MP.
Mampenny is the union draw.
When you do science about the one you say, 40 Kurunya.
Hey, Captain. Make a baby and near no parliament on and I'm who be ya. Oh, Peggy J. Oh, Peggy J. That Peggy, anyone now, ya dinner dear buy ya call Peggy Fienia and ma. It be 25. Me say, wow. You move on no more.
But what did you do?
Me, you know, poor bone.
There be wing up on Bombian.
Oh, lovely. Mene.
When the crutches are
Captain Unim, I dear by quiet who or minimum your voice. Obi our voice to say. Sir, Obi Fre. Now I'm here and see your family no be one more for us say, no, I would near your way or say there be a me.
A man, man,
oh, yeah, big 6 man qua.
Are you
big 6 man qua?
Wow.
Yeah. Me and I'm coming, I be my own. It's Capito.
Yes, I did dead do.
I did dead. Who doesn't want to one at now? Who didn't want to one at now?
My dear Duncan, you.
Oh, lovely. When you see this man saying this, I need to say, I did dead. See, you see your man. Now, Mummy and one ate to no, see, I saw this. Mummy and one ate to what is that, dear? Oh, I had this, Sunday. Captain, me and one ate into.
Me to Chessy.
I say,
me to Chessy.
Me Bruni. Me no me Bruni.
You see the big boys, the big guys.
Me to Chessy.
CJ, I know person where did he?
And where did he?
Mediwachi.
Now. Why did you watch and come out?
Quadrona, I said, honey,
there be why did you come out?
What you say, Medidi? Now, somebody watching.
Why can't you with me and no crocodile?
Now, what are you, sir?
Because you saw who do their friend anyway.
My family be unfriendly. And then,
no need, dear. Senior Emperor.
There be Mendy. Me to my man Tony.
Maybe park on Catty. A man for delight, tintin make us a business. Me, I watch it. Me, quite where you run, and 50. Now say, hey, now every day, we would kill the away.
Correct.
Correct.
Papa. Mono. Being
Who's a muya dry? Where's a muya dry?
Emuye.
Mama, no. Who can be and some you go fias and I dance you. One word you and be anywhere and do quota, crowdy. Quota. Do it when you're near that Cassandra as and there no Cataman yae.
If you want to come, sir.
Oh, Cataman yae. Na any animal. Yes, NMCC young go Bailey GBC for. Yan first can come on venture our live bill. I bind first can come on venture our live bill. And internet sometimes privatization amount for calling for saying can near mania and crankra no. GBC yan first come on venture our live bill. Now one woman generate revenue be our home. Some no be some say
I dare back when I see a Shannon so say I said GBC no ye chim me and son 24 hours now with GBC no. I see a chim 3. As is done on BBC, as is done on other state-owned media. No? I see a check GBC Mumiensa. 24 hours. No. Now you catch there, I buy and say yachim. Then I buy and maybe whoever go for free. But it's a time when our part time when you must pay as everybody will pay. It's the ABR from an adjo 10. Because the next morning 6 a.m. is for government. But from an past 6, no, Kusian Adjo 10, no, a peak time.
When you're a good manager.
There be good managers no more, but a strong influence now.
Yenya manager. If I local damn or more time now. I buy a cobeli or more say or Muntimin Jala bill.
Yan can't pay. Share GBC do one more time in never quite public accounts committee. Now, Ebia and Opad 9. TV stations no generating revenue. Can some and crofo be motivated binum benya bi asere binum benya bi dia juma any ade discuss issues hu hia no dey the Kwasi Public Accounts Committee omu wie so omu nya hu adwuma na so I watch here Public Accounts Committee so omu tena se no omu ko breaker GBC nya hwe omu bo Ghana nwom Mama hu hia Ghana man ye wara wuzo be hia no Public Accounts Committee
Masamba
when we hear no you see hey meet the press eba minister be meet press I said GBC sister nkukuni nkaka kogu ho
town hall meeting
to ko twa free
and
time I said so mo generate no omu ni ho
but kodo
GBC news put there GTV news makan ahwade de bia ada no senya minister ko inspect kwan enya minister ko cut sword enya this year was toilet amambo motefo for na there. They are not allowed to produce compelling content. They are not allowed.
Captain. Asama wo kan me no ya adwen ye kire say GBC nye the only radio na say media organization na ye beka say state owned e wo wiase. Other areas are was media houses are a bind dia or mine dia, but they have ways or much media generate sika. Enti BBC no would ya with the BBC by muno. BBC was story be on more or moon carry story be on more. It was some carry say beer ye di Rashabedchi ye dear buying you mechi. But omu waste no kwansho mufaswa or make me a generate sika.
Yeah. Ewa ya share GBC workers no home. I've met 2 or 3 former Director Generals of Ghana Broadcasting Corporation. They are not allowed to produce certain content. There was a time. Obi documentary why to be shown on GTV. Now, as I say, or the comma ne sector debe. Now, on we no utie the comma Deputy Director General. Deputy Director General, so we actually my Director General namu. Director General no necessary or refer content to the Communications Minister be to approve.
Ansana.
Up to today, you approve his content no.
Anka otua ho sika.
Massa, me say they are not allowed to produce compelling content. Say yen.
But me must say aban niema dodo sen say eno no ye pa GTV say GBC ho. Enso so ye hwe GBC and GTV ye hunu ada companies a wo mu yi wo advert. Admin person me bodin but ye hunu bi sa sika no aye kwen.
Omni tuaka a salary.
Si jenso. Enso so omantumi anye omantumi amfa innovations amem omantumi amfa enne mremu media adwuma ye na omantumi amfa na tete Ghana radio no ifre ya de a ene sika no ne omunya ne sha CJ
enye se GBC workers no staff no nye innovative they are, but I've told you said they are not allowed.
Ya best information minister kwadwo de so free media no mu na ode akọ
enye kwadwo
omumwa
kwadwo kwantimi
me I still don't agree with you when you say they are not allowed.
Moment ade GBC structure na ho no
GBC
eye pro government communication tool tiase
accepted.
It's what I want you to do is what you do. The Director General has been appointed by the President through the Ministry of Information Communication. That's right. Is
that it?
That's it. I bind him be a GBC 24 hours and yen miensa. No munyi miensa mu ba kuma bai. Now buying accept say this between this hour and that hour, buy media. Today be a 2 hours and not 3 hours out of the 24 hours now. Yen fair a normal government. Sa time na akano. Na yama GBC enye compelling content.
And
na onje advert nguso because workers now ho no being papa.
Serious.
GBC engineers. GBC
and machines of
engineers
machines of more
GBC engineers are more technicians are what GBC o being brutal the editors are what GBC
and so one to function is that it
function
one to function
so
function
way daily graphic na another state owner you know almost the abo animu say Ghana Broadcasting Corporation pending for say womu hia papa say ye beboa womu de live bill ka chese ka abode no mo se abanya nso womu a 25 million 25 million Ghana cedis abanya me so womu a ene ebegu omo ka esi so say abanya nso womu
over 30 transmitters
na sa Ghana have region bia Ghana Broadcasting Corporation ye womu ayi wo ho no
womu more than 30 transmitters. There's a 16K digital transmitter BDC DNBia. Let's say 30.
Nina so.
Let's say my own content. First,
how do you survive?
First, na nya GTV na efa Miss Ghana. Say Miss Ghana whatever. And private companies yo, private television yo. Yey. Ye Ghana for na yet radio so na yema mba na be paper moto ho so for na hwe wo dem.
Ye nkoye ni mu e captain na daily graphic kro no amu Ghana Cocoa Board mpanimfo na wo bo Ghana fo nyina no ho ba se sika abo kwagye so wode beboa ama koko se ye dua se ye num bie Ghana ha se ye nya mfaso afiri mu atumi akoso no $600 million wasi sika no won fa ntwa wanumu sika no won fa ntwa wanumu wode be ye dwuma ameso aba mfaso na Adom kuma e wo mayi ma hyebedwam ene committee ye hwekua yoso Adom kuma empanimfo ye bomwon waso de dendenden se sa $600 million no wahu se anwe ya empanimfo de be ye de twa kokoti ye de che chocolate ye de yese na sika no ahye anwe ye sika no e be hye
ekua ya na communication e wo sika ye gene ade de ye ho ebi na affect mahama say ye osi o sika kotopad ene bi so aba say de koto chocolate it's about time say ade bia wo produce wo memu no men kwada na wo menu nhyase ndi na ka ho say Ghana had them pan ye dibi. Eh? Ye dibi.
Ghana beyond it.
It's a good idea. It's $7 million. No? A year grow cocoa, eat cocoa campaign. No, it's a good thing. It's a cocoa board. It's a womo communicate ye. Me, I support it. Say I buy Japan. Japan produce cocoa.
Debbie.
But cocoa hold chain. Japan are buying spending close to $39 million a year. And this kind of chocolate. Emas nkwadana wuku omainim. Etuaka.
Captain.
Emma chocolate manufacturing companies no. Because one. Ye product na ye wono. Yatra ho sam ye bro e free yensa. Almost say ye taste every yellow corn. If you remember. When is that Tom Brown na ye aduane? Tom Brown was not part of our foods. Time at 83 a come by no. And now one Tom Brown if Palestine buy. And no wheat if Brazil bray. No must say taste. No mo do omunua ne bray. Say pa enkwada send wo krom ha omunya milo kra no.
It's captain also you discuss send the best $7 million.
$7 million.
And you dey no you heard local consumption.
Local consumption, yes.
Say ye bedi cocoa nti no ye dey be bo hu de wuro say ye ni. And now say no ye dey be supply sometimes send your work no communication. Nyame na wasa mi chire mu. Enya me.
But obi betre chebe ka say hey pro government adwuma na oye. But we need to do it. It's a good thing. The cocoa board should come out and communicate this better. It's very, very good, Akuya.
Ayo, nti we di almost sika no mo nse no.
Because cocoa grown area, only chocolate da.
The bia on am from kwaso.
I'm telling you, only chocolate da. Why?
Daily
Graphic no. CJ.
Because I'm say front page of the Chronicle and the Anapay. Yadi hun komo police can't probe police ya rehu se mo esi ewo Adom fe
na sa banti no wo be ma hwe se ne owu ye nyina ne akekere ne nsa Yehowa ne hwefo
se kan ensa no ebo
Yehowa ne hwefo
lawyer anapay lawyer asamwamwako anapay captain ya ne twetwe nkomo ana wo chese kwan ya police for fa so edi asem na kire no abusafo mani enjo am se lawyer no aso no wo fa ase ene abrante ya oda hoyi enti oche se kwan a police for nam so no nani enje hona akua ma mefa we entwa to ukọ katafa etoso dubako Chronicle the bokata anmu a Madam Josephine Nkrumah NCC boss and oche se social media dandan nkomo bi ani 17 December abaya ba beto no nia efa MMDCs hono social media abekoso no na ese jama 17 December no na e ba beto aba no e de yi MMDCs wo chese entisa
ene ye koto yes and no nya koto yes no ene ye koto yes no
sir
but yes and no
ye koto yes
who say
kata no so nya yes nko na do mu
kwa ye koto yes
say bi mu atie gum dende no for na sorry say was a Ghana for to know
said intra
Ghana for to know is say ye ma political parties no ba mu say momfa mu nipa mra mon sponsor nipa na momfa mu mewura mu a na che say sani amanyo sem ye di bibia ye na no an ye de ba woni say me ni omo nya adwen kwa mbi so
it's the same thing
it's na kura ye say political parties no mamnu dia in
na asema na ye oya no sanu for ne ka no ebe den ena na do be win election wa fa Ibrahim Mahama DC Ana Ibrahim John Mahama be win election wa fa Gabriel Chedako DC. It will not happen. DC is the MC is here when the body your president the one who NDC constituency organizer ya fa MPP times all your DC da
kojo na nsan directive bi bai
na
say MMDCs wom ko town hall meetings embo aban no adwuma wo ye no ho dawro kojo say MPP na wo so na ya to aba na NDC MC na wo so a okoboda robe na akere manfo e dey favor aban no wo so
and it say DC bi wo ho na ya to aba na yi no you can influence the person say by force onko bo aban aba so wa bra aban no e bi aban no nya de papa bi wo no
e bi so anaban no ya de papa
and they all can be hu sa ade no ye papa e na wo ka no bi ho ade no kwan no nya pa o so contractor no wo so say so na contractor bi angina ho say ye to aba entimi nkobasa constituency chairman bi sori na wa boni stream say ye call the officer ye huno nti mo nyina di
yo yanko CJ na duru say wan hwe producers na abebro mi ni omo ye kram ti ase yanko e ba bi e make you go and if you so ye ma be
can stop us now. 106.3 FM.
Jim FM 106.3. Tough.
Only God can stop us now. 106.3 FM.